Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters right here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm Gary.Christiance, but all you got to remember is the van guy. That'll get you to me. I know all about the vans, but today I do have something wonderful for you. You don't get many of these. 2007 Pleasureway Plateau 5-cylinder diesel, 24 to 28 miles per gallon. Hold your hat, because this bad boy gets great economy. But let me show you around a little bit. Got the full body paint in silver. Passenger seat swivels around. Driver's seat does not. Light controls right here as you come in the coach. Nice running board. And as you see here in the back, it's got a couch that folds down. It's got 3 seat belts. It's in the down position, of course, which makes into twins. And then with a little board kit, you can fold this out, make it into a nice big bed. We'll raise this up. So back in the day, this was state of the art for entertainment. You got a TV set, little release down here. It swings around so the passenger can walk. I'm going to want you to come over here and take a little peek on this back side for us, because they got all the good stuff in here, a little inverter and all the wiring. You see how nice, and it's all tucked in here. DVD player, MP3, and all that other stuff's in here. Switch goes to the TV, which you can run off the inverter. Very nice, very well done. They got rid of the cabinet in future years. Little access in the back storage area down below. We have great storage up atop. You notice the finish work on all the cabinetry, all curved, very upgrade. Let's roll a couple of these up. So you've got a lot of space up in here. It does have dimmer controls on your lights. Stainless steel backing. Now they did put in a little storage area here for spices. And you'll notice the Corian full countertop. Recessed sink, single lever faucet, 2-burner stove underneath, which makes it really nice. Gives you more work area. Convection microwave, so you got a way to bake as well as nuke food for yourself. Hot water tank, access to the bypass if you want to, on a cold day, you want to bypass it and drain the water. Nice storage down below. Plenty of space down here, trash can, etc. 110 outlet, and then a little door, a few drawers. No, they're not real wide because that's only that wide. But you got a lot of them. We're going to move up back here to the freezer. Up on top. Fridge, of course, is down below. It's 3-way gas, electric, and propane. Battery, 110, and propane. Okay, there's all 3. Storage up on top. It's got 78 hours on the gen. Monitor panel systems right up here. Water pump switch. Gen start, which is propane, because this is a diesel unit. Closet. Got a nice hanging bar. Here's your table, your legs, your stand for your table. The bathroom's pretty spacious for this unit, which is only 22 feet, because back in the day on the 3/4 ton chassis, they were 22, not 2210 like the current models. But you have a nice vanity mirror up here, medicine cabinet, good vanity, solid surface again. Of course, your shower is hooked in with the faucet. And nice storage. It does have a window, tall rack, and a vent up above. 5-speed automatic. Of course, you can run it in manual as well. This unit's got 88,000 miles, which for a Mercedes engine is just a drop in the bucket. And again, it really does get 24 to 28 miles per gallon. I've even had over 30. But let's not get carried. We're not going to go all downhill all the time we go. I always like to back out. That way I don't slip. Even with this nice big wide door provided by Mercedes-Benz. It's got a full-length awning up on top. Hot water heater, fresh water, little side storage compartment. Has a trailer hitch on the back. It's already hooked up. Now you can see all the storage back in here that's accessible from the rear. And as I mentioned, 3 seat belts, two shoulder restraints. On the driver's side, this right here, where you have your short cord, old style phone hookup, cable TV, propane on and off, and city water connection. Everything's real easy to get to. Furnace and intake and exhaust is right here, so one of these bad boys is going to be hot if you put your hand up there. Refrigerator vent up here, service down below. You and I don't need to mess with this. Outdoor shower, hot and cold water. And then your dump tank is right down here, easy to get to. Sewer hose is in here. Like on all Mercedes products, the fuel fill is behind door number 2. That way you don't have to worry about somebody trying to steal your food or your fuel or put something in there you don't want. The seats are adjustable, manually up and down and recline. They're very comfortable. Back then they didn't have the telescoping and tilt steering wheel. Now I know you're going to have a bunch of questions. When you call in, just say I want the van guy. My email's on this recording, or you can call me on the phone directly at 541-554-9581. Hope you're having a great day. Don't miss out on this one.